Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to remove write protection from USB or pen drive. So how to do this, let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the search bar type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening the command, first of all type a command is disk part and press enter, and after that type a list disk and press enter. Now you can see that this 2 is USB drive. So now type a command is select disk 2 and press enter. Now after that type a command is attributes space disk space clear space read only and press enter. After that type a exit and exit the command prompt. Close it, and after that restart your computer. The second method is that in the search box type a registry editor. Open a registry editor, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, first of all select a H key local machine and expand it. After that select a system and expand it. After that select a current control set and expand it. Select a control, right click, new Devo 32-bit value, and set a name is storage device policy. After that open it and set a value data is 0. Click OK, close it and close it, and after that restart your computer. And after restarting your computer, I'm sure that after this issue has been resolved. The next after that the next method is open a file explorer, select a USB drive, right click, go to your properties. After that go to your tools and click on a check, scan and repair the device. Now close it and restart your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.